Hello kids, welcome to Kids With. Let's learn insect names. Honeybee,
Honeybee,
caterpillar,
caterpillar,
ladybug,
ladybug,
butterfly,
butterfly,
ant,
ant,
beetle,
beetle,
grasshopper,
grasshopper,
housefly,
housefly,
spider,
spider,
cockroach,
cockroach,
mosquito,
mosquito,
bumblebee,
bumblebee,
firefly,
firefly,
fruit fly,
fruit fly,
wasp,
wasp,
bark beetle,
bark beetle,
leaf hopper,
leaf hopper,
weevil,
weevil,
stink bug,
stink bug,
stag beetle,
stag beetle,
airwake,
airwake,
moth,
moth,
termite,
termite,
rhinoceros beetle,
rhinoceros beetle,
antlion,
antlion,
stonefly,
stonefly,
silverfish,
silverfish,
bedbug,
bedbug,
dragonfly.
dragonfly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.